In this section of our lab series, we begin with the foundational building blocks of modern network design, VLANs. A VLAN, or Virtual Local Area Network, allows us to segment a single physical network into multiple isolated broadcast domains. Think of a network as a large open room where every device can hear every conversation. VLANs act like an invisible wall, separating that room into smaller, organized spaces. Devices within the same VLAN can communicate freely, but they remain isolated from devices in other VLANs. This improves traffic efficiency, enhances security, and keeps different types of network devices neatly separated. Organizations rely on VLANs to divide environments such as guest Wi-Fi, security cameras, and employee workstations, all while using the same physical switching infrastructure. In this lab, we'll begin by creating VLANs on our distribution and access layer devices. Let's take a look at the LAN topology. We're working with two branch networks. Both require VLANs to separate user traffic from switch management traffic. Before we start configuring anything, we'll verify the existing VLAN database on both the distribution and access layer switches. Once that's confirmed, we'll create VLAN 10 for user data and VLAN 20 for management. After the configuration is applied, we'll double check the VLAN database again to make sure that both VLANs were successfully added.